Okay, welcome to the explanation for the CIA mission. This is the second activity within our lessons on using latitude and longitude. This is kind of like our middle level to higher level here before we get to our summative assessment. Now, for this lesson, the point is we're trying to find Osama bin Laden. Now, he has since been found, so I guess the gimmick here is kind of gone. But the activity still holds true in the idea that we're trying to find cities using specific coordinates. Now, for this activity, I'll show you how it works, and we're going to start off with a sample here. We're going to do number 2. We're looking for the city, which is at 23 degrees north, 82 degrees west. Now, when we look at our map here, which quadrant, I guess I could say, but which general location are we looking at? Are we looking in the top left, top right, or bottom left? Well, for this, since it is north and west, we know we're looking in the top left region somewhere. So let's kind of break away this map now so we can be a little bit more focused and more specific in finding this region, because what we're next going to need to do is find this location in general on a big map so we can then go in depth on a more focused map. So first off, let's find 23 degrees north. This Tropic of Cancer line is at 23.5 degrees north, so we know that we're just below that, right around 23.5 degrees. Somewhere in this range, let's say. Then we're looking at 82 degrees west. We have 1690, we'll go about 2/3, a little bit more than 2/3 of the way. Let's say right there is a good one. So I'm going to make these lines go out as closely as I can, so we can try to get a good intersection here of where we're looking at. Now again, it's not a straight line, so please forgive me, but it gets the point across. So basically, what are we looking for? We're looking for this area right here. It looks like we're looking at the country of Cuba in specific, but we do need to find a more specific map. In your textbook, you'll find this on pages 52 and 53. What we have found here is that we can look now and see what matches up directly with those coordinates. Now I added in some coordinates to make it more clear on this version, because I did just take a picture with my phone of it, but you still get the idea. So again, we're looking at 23 degrees north, which is right around here. Just try to fold as straight as I can, and I know that I'm not going to be straight as an arrow, but get the point across here. And then 82 degrees west. Now this is an area you want to be thinking about. Is 82 between 70 and 80, or between 80 and 90? Well, I think we all know it's between 80 and 90. If we're looking at 82, somewhere right around here would work. So let's try to keep this as straight as we can. Not perfect, but I think you can see that we are aligning very closely with one city, which is Havana. So to go back to the beginning here, what we want to do now is on this line, write in Havana, Cuba, and that is our answer. And you guys love it when I'm trying to write with my mouse. It's wonderful. I shouldn't say that. It's too bad, though, because maybe it's not much better than my regular handwriting. So write down Havana, Cuba, and you have found the answer to number 2. Go through and complete this whole side. Make sure you understand it and you can find it. I will say this, there are a few that have quite a few cities that are close by, so you could get a little bit different answer than what I would have on my answer key, but as long as you're in the right area, that's what we're looking for here. So there's our explanation on the CIA mission and how to complete it.